I got a video now. Go ahead, sing.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
I got YouTube.
She won't.
YouTube is in here too.
Yes,
Come here.
I see you.
You bet, girl.
I got it. This is a video.
Now watch this. Frankie. And watch what he does.
What's he doing?
Beats his head up against the cage.
Hey.
Now watch it. Do 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 it.
YouTube.
She does it. Why are you flying all over you, that girl?
Look at that. Look at that.
Don't be fighting. Don't do that.
Ooh, look at that hair. That how his head is up.
Be nice. Oh, be nice.
Look at him. He's rocking. Look at
Yeah,
that.
he's a good boy.
He's a good boy.
Yeah, look at you. You're just so nice.
Oh, it's so dark. Okay. Hey.
You see? Yes.
Second grade with her.
Look at that.
Now watch this. Now, come on. Stay. Stay. Good girl. You're so good girl. Okay, come on. See, she minds so well. She's the only one, I didn't cut her wings. I didn't disable her. I let her
Yeah.
fly.
Well, it's nice. It's up to you.
You trim the bird's wings so they don't fly.
Yeah.
But I can't
Hey, YouTube. YouTube. Which one talks? This was
They
the one that
all
was
talk.
talking. Oh, but who said hello to us?
This
Him.
one.
Hello.
Tell me he's a pretty bird.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird.
Nikki, pretty bird.
Yeah.
Pretty bird.
Hello.
Say
Pretty
hello.
bird.
Look at you.
Pretty bird.
Pretty too. Yeah. Two pretty ones. Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Nikki, pretty bird.
You pretty bird. You pretty bird. You pretty bird.
No, you-
Hello.
Nikki, pretty bird.
Hello.
Come on.
Hello.
What?
Nikki, pretty bird. Nikki, pretty bird.
I was going to show you something. Nobody's got nothing dark on. I was going to show you the dust in these birds.
It's like dandruff.
Oh, you have no idea. The
Just
dust.
like my probably
You
cats.
don't
They
know
have
the
to.
dust that, if I hold her, I'm going to show you something black, the dust that pours off these birds. You
Hello.
know, I mean, like you haven't dusted in a month.
You didn't introduce us to them.
Oh, that's Norman and Princess.
And what are they?
Those are African grays.
Oh, very
No, they're
pretty.
dirty. They're dirty. They tear everything. Throw their food out. Tear their, you know.
Mhm.
Yeah. But they've been breeding.
Mhm.
Yeah.
But they together.
They're breeding. Yeah.
So can you
Come on.
Good bird.
She's going to fly, and I'm going to have to punish her. No.
No, she's showing off.
No.
She got
Don't
company.
fly, Frankie.
I know. But
Back in
she's
your cage.
disobedient.
Sit down.
Oh.